Hey everyone, this week on Theme Park Bar, I was gonna try to show you how to make Tipsy Ducks in Love, a drink I thought that was gonna be perfectly timed for not only Lunar New Year, you know, the year of the ox, but Valentine's Day, Ducks in Love. It just seemed to kind of make sense. I also wanted to make this drink for my fiance because, well, one, she told me she wanted me to make it for her, but it combines all of her favorite things: tea, coffee, bourbon, and chocolate. Greatness. Well, let's pull the curtain back a little bit on how I make these videos. The very first thing I always do is make the drink in the wide shot, where I'm facing this way. You see everything behind me. You see me mixing it, putting it all together. That way, when I taste it, when I do the drink, you're getting my genuine first thoughts, my initial reaction to everything I got going on. And this drink, well, it really did not work out. I've only had it one or two times. I was more of a couple of sips because it was her thing, and I couldn't make this work. I looked up the recipe online at several different websites, and all the ingredients made sense, but taking one sip of it, it was so far off base, there was really no saving it without having to start from scratch. So instead of completely canning the episode, I wanted to at least give you guys this failed attempt at a cocktail. Just didn't quite work out, but we will revisit again here in the very near future. So enjoy my epic fail, enjoy seeing me fall flat on my face, and I will see you guys again here real soon. Thanks for watching. Bye. Alright, so we're going to start with our Tipsy Ducks in Love. We're going to get our mixing glasses, just a little bit of ice. I'm going to throw only a couple of ice cubes in there. There's a lot of mixer going into this drink, and you don't want your stuff to overflow and make a big mess, so get your mixing glass, just a couple of ice cubes to start off with. There we go, just a couple of cubes to get things started off here. Then we're going to throw in our 1.5 ounces of bourbon. I'm using Bullet today. You know, I always tell you, use what you have on hand, use what you like. Today just feels like a Bullet bourbon kind of day. From there, it's going to be just pretty straightforward and easy. We're going to throw in our 6 ounces of coffee. Brewed it this morning, let it chill in the fridge all day long. Of course, you don't want to throw something hot that's going to be cold, so 6 ounces of coffee right into the glass. From there, we have our 4 ounces of brewed black tea. Again, let this chill all day. Two ounces of milk. And from there, we're going to throw in our chocolate sauce. We want to throw in about 1/2 ounce or so. I'm not going to measure it. I'm just going to eyeball it. You know, just put it in until it just feels right, you know? It's Valentine's Day. Let's put a little bloop. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Go ahead, get your tin, seal everything up, and give it a good shake. Ooh boy, that is a frothy looking drink. From there, pull up your serving glass, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to strain the drink from the tin into the glass. It's looking pretty frothy. I want to make sure I'm not making a big mess. So grab your strainer and pour it right into that glass. No ice in there because there's not a whole lot of room. You want to make sure everything gets in there. I'm going to throw in just a couple of ice cubes. Just help everything stay cold. And of course, you got to top it up with a little bit of fresh whipped cream. And there we go, guys. Coming from the China Pavilion at EPCOT World Showcase, the most romantic coffee bourbon cocktail there is, the Tipsy Ducks in Love. Let's go ahead. I'm going to toss the snackful Mickey straw in there, and let's give this drink let's give it a taste. That is not good.
Oh no. What happened?
I don't know.
Oh wow, that's so bad.
So I'd like to dedicate the video this week to my Patreon subscribers. This is going to be the exclusive Matt f***ed something up, and I'm not sure. Chelsea's here. She was going to be in this. This is going to be my little Valentine's Day thing. It's pretty late in the game for me to start from scratch, so this is a Patreon exclusive Matt f***ed up a drink. Thank you so much for your support, guys. It really does mean the world. It means it to me, to Chelsea, and yeah. Are you disappointed in this week's drink? Because I sure shit am.
It's pretty bad.
It's bad.
It's not good.
I don't know where I went wrong. I researched it. I looked up all the ingredients multiple times.
It all makes sense on paper.
Made sense on paper. This did not work out well. I will revisit this in the future. But thank you for being you. Thank you for subscribing to Patreon, to the channel. You know where to find me, all over the internet at ThemeParkBar. You can find Chelsea. What's your Twitter? I don't know.
At MIB.
No.
Should I spell it? Should I say it?
MIB Chelsea.
There it is.
Yeah.
I post stuff. It's kind of okay sometimes.
It's all right. Yeah.
I feel like shit posting.
Yeah. Speaking of shit posting, Tipsy Ducks in Love Theme Park Bar Edition coming right at you, man. I don't know where I f***ed up, but woo, boy, I f***ed up. See you next week, y'all.
Bye.
Bye. Remember, when you're going out, to always be safe, drink responsibly, and never forget to tip your bartenders.